Hi, I'm Kira.
I'm Brandon, Kira's father.
And we'll be showing you how to make
Sticky glue.
it slime.
Slime.
So, this is what it looks like. So, first you'll be needing,
Elmer's glue.
second,
A container to mix it in.
third is a straw,
A
and
mixing tool.
fourth is top.
A laundry detergent.
So first, you'll be putting all this stuff over here. First, my dad's gonna pour some Elmer's glue into this container while I get this ready.
We will pour.
Okay, that's good. Okay, so now we're gonna be pouring a little drop of laundry detergent in. Then my dad's gonna mix that.
Mix.
And I hope you guys subscribed in our videos. And like it. Okay, now we're gonna,
Well, you gotta show them the finished product.
the finished project, whatever you call it,
Product.
you need to get water and baking powder or baking soda, and you mix those two up and then you pour it. So I'll go get those two things while Dad keeps you.
Well, I wasn't expecting her to leave, but what she is trying to accomplish is to make a sticky, well, it's not sticky actually. This is very, very squishy. Almost like putty. Putty.
Dad. Okay, now we're going to be mixing those two up in here.
As she mixes.
Now you see it's starting to get non-sticky. And now it's a little wet, but it's okay. Now it's slime.
And folks, that's how you make a slime ball.
And I hope you subscribe and I hope you like. Bye.
Goodbye.